want to use a lookup function to bring back an image. So this is what we're going to learn in today's video. Whenever I change here my item name, for example, protein powder, I can just see the item image just updated for me. So this is what we're going to learn in today's video. Excel 365 just released a new feature, and this feature allows us to just insert an image within a cell. So it's not just a picture in Excel. No, it's just a picture, a photo, an image within the cell. So we can go here to Insert tab, Illustrations, Pictures, and here we have Place in Cell. So this is the feature that Excel just released, Excel 365, that you can use to use Vlookup function, xlookup function, index match to bring back an image as a result that we are looking for. Or even you can just use it in your table, in your spreadsheet, in your data set to better organize your data. So instead of using an actual picture in your spreadsheet, you can just take this picture and insert it within your cell. Here, as you guys can see, I have a spreadsheet that is a stock control spreadsheet, and I have the date, the item ID, item name, item image. And here in this item image is where I just insert an image within the cell. So if I just click here in the cells, as you guys can see here, in my formula bar, it's not empty. It actually has something just typed in here. So for example, picture. If I just click here down below in a cell that is nothing, so it's blank here, I also can see that in my formula bar, there is nothing displayed there. So when I just insert a picture within a cell in Excel, it's actually insert something, actually insert a value there. So let's take a look how can you do it. And one interesting fact in here, if you just increase the row size, so let's say I'm just going to select here the row number 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to click hold and drag it down. I can see that I just increase the size of the row and the picture itself increased too. So to just insert here an image in the cell, to make sure it's possible to use let's say a Vlookup function or a xlookup function or hlookup index match in Excel, we can just first start with insert an image within a cell. Let me just adjust again the size of these rows. Okay. Now here, let's say I want to add a picture for the omega-3 and for my pre-workout. I can just select this first cell, and I can also select many images at once. So let's say you have 10 images to just add in your spreadsheet. You can just select every picture that you have, and then click insert, and all these blank spaces that you have is going to be filled in. So omega-3, I'm going to click here in the cell, and then I'm going to go to Insert tab, Illustrations, Pictures, Place in Cell. Look at that, I also have the option Place over cells, but this is not what you're going to use in this video. So Place in Cells, this is the new feature that Excel just released. Place in Cell, and then I'm going to choose this device. And here I can see the folders of my computer, and I can select as many as pictures that I need. So let's say I need to select the omega-3 and also the pre-workout. I can select both, just click, drag, and select, or even I can just select the first one, press and hold the Control key, and then select the second photo. Okay, and now I just need to press here insert. Now as you guys can see, the two pictures already just be inserted within the cell. I can also give a close look, just increase the size of the row like this, for example, and I can see here I have my omega-3 and here I have my pre-workout. Now whenever I just update here my item name, so instead of using vitamin D, for example, I want to bring back my pre-workout. I can click here, and the item image, the location, the quantity, and expiration date is automatically updated for me. I can use here just a standard version of the Vlookup that is gonna work, but we can do it manually just to you guys see. Equal sign, Vlookup function. I can double click it, 1, 2, and then I'm gonna select the value that I'm looking for. I'm looking for here the pre-workout, but I can change the item name, and whenever I just change it, my Vlookup function is going to automatically update for me, so don't need to worry about that. Jopa. And now I'm going to just select here my table array, or I mean, what is the data set that I'm going to use in my lookup, in my search. I'm going to start here with the column C, because as I'm looking for item name, I just need to start with the column that I'm looking for. Okay, so item name. I can just click here in the column C, in the letter C itself, and then bring to the right. Okay, comma. And now I can just follow here into my formula bar. Now I need to just type it in my column index number. As I want to bring back as result an image that corresponds to my item name, my item name is my first column that I select, okay, column number 1. So my item image is my column number 2. And then the following columns is just adding one unit, okay, so column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on. So here I just need to insert it in the number 2, comma, and my lookup is going to be an exact match. Okay, so double click it, close parentheses, and then press enter, and we're done. So this is how we can use the Vlookup function, or even xlookup, hlookup, index match function, any other lookup functions here in Excel to bring back an image itself. So it's not all about the function, but it's all about this new feature that Excel just released to insert an image within a cell. So I hope you guys this video can help you out, and this new feature in Excel can also help you out. If you have any questions, just comment down below, let me know, and I see you tomorrow. As every day has a new video, I see you there.